Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a highlighter text effect on your videos in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is prepare a screen record video and also a solid color image like this. I choose the yellow image. And then what you need to do is put the image as the overlay. So click on it and put it as overlay and put the image to where you want the highlighter effects to start. Okay, for example in here. Then after that, click on the yellow image, go to blend and choose darken. Now click on the check icon, go to mask, and then select the rectangle shape. Okay, after that you just need to adjust the size and also the positions to fit the text that you want to highlight. Okay, for example, I want to highlight this. And after that, just click on the check icon. Now add a keyframe at the end and also the start of the yellow image. So go to mask again on the first keyframe and drag the image. Okay, and then click on grabs and use the ease out one. So on the second keyframe, go to mask again, and drag the highlight image. And this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.